One project we knew we always wanted to do was to design our own merch for ourselves and for you guys. So that has been months in the making, and we have had the most fun doing it. And we are excited to finally show you guys what we've been up to.
The best thing about it is we knew nobody really wanted to just have a shirt with our faces on it, even though I don't understand why. But we designed a bunch of shirts that are just fun camping shirts. At the end of the day, that's all they're meant to do. Lauren actually has on the Adventure More shirt. That's one of her favorites.
That's right.
A little feminine for me.
That's why we have two.
That's exactly why.
Actually, we have more than two.
Yeah, there's quite a few. There's an Explore More that's a little bit more masculine. There may be a shirt about brisket.
That's right.
And tacos.
These are things that we think of and ideas that we want to convey and remind ourselves when we're out on the road and with you guys.
Don't worry, we filtered some of those thoughts into what you actually see. But it's just a fun shirt, and we are going to be constantly updating. We're going to do some custom release stuff, but there's going to be new shirts coming out all the time, possibly some other merch as well. Love to get into hats, because I like hats.
Still in the works.
And also some cups and some other things. So please do us a favor and check out millersinmotion.com, and you'll have links to everything, including the merchandise store, as well as our brand new membership area.
That's right. So head on over there. We'll see you there.